Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. In this video, we are going to install Ollama on our Moodle server and run a local AI model. Before we get started, let's first understand what exactly Ollama is. Ollama is an open source application that allows us to run AI models or large language models directly on our own computer or server. Normally, when we use an AI service, we send our prompt to a cloud service. The AI processes it and we get the response back. With Ollama, we can run the AI model directly on our own server. So instead of sending our prompts to an external AI service, the processing can happen locally. This gives us more control over our data and our AI environment. Another important feature of Ollama is that it provides an API. This allows other applications to communicate with the AI models running through Ollama. And that's going to be important for us later because in the next video, we'll use this API to connect Ollama with Moodle. So let's install Ollama on our server. First, open your browser and go to ollama.com. Click on Download. Then select the Linux tab. Here you will see the command to install Ollama. Copy this command. Now let's go back to our Moodle server. Open the terminal and paste the command we just copied. Press enter to start the installation. The installation will take a little time. Once it is finished, Ollama is ready to use. Now let's download an AI model. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the Llama 3.2 3B model. To download the model, run the following command: Ollama pull Llama 3.2 3B. Ollama will now download the model. You may see it download in the manifest and the required model files. This can take some time depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, we are ready to run the model. So let's run. Ollama run Llama 3.2 3B. This will start the model and open an interactive session. Now let's test it with a simple question. I'll enter 1 plus 1 equals. And as you can see, the model gives us the answer. So that's it. We have successfully installed Ollama on our Moodle server, downloaded the Llama 3.2 3B model and tested it successfully. In the next video, we'll connect Ollama with Moodle 5.2 and configure Moodle to use our local AI model. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.